Today we want to show you how to build a simple light sensor switch using two transistors. Now the first one is an NPN transistor 2N222 transistor, while the second one is a PNP transistors A940 transistor. Now this is our 6 volts lead bulb. We just designed it for this experiment. Then inside this circuit diagram you see your LDR, which is the light sensitive resistor, or some call it photo resistor. Then these are 10 ohms resistor. The second one is 10k resistor, while the last resistor is 1k. Now we will show you how to build a simple light sensor switch using our breadboard. It's actually a 6 volts battery bank, so it's showing you 7.3. Then we start the process. Here is our PNP transistor, which is the first one, the first unit there. We fix it, and if you don't know how to test it, you connect your digital ammeter to the probe, test for the continuity. These small transistors, we know that normally the base are at the center, so this one of the terminal, it is showing you that the center is the base. And since it is a PNP transistor, once the transistor is facing you, your right hand side normally is the collector, while the left hand side is the emitter. So right there we start the connections. These are 10k, which is the line going to the positive terminals. So these are 10k. It is fixed, so we have to adjust this. That's our 10k. The next one on line is the LDR, which is this line going to the emitter. And from our explanation, we told you that the part at your left hand side normally is the emitter, so we connect this terminal to the base, while this one is connected to the base going to the positive. Now since the remaining terminal is the collector, which is this line, it is serving as a source to the other NPN transistor. So this is the line going to the second PNP transistor. And this kind of transistors, let's test and see. Since it is PNP, the center is reading, so the two channels are positively activated. Then it means we have a side base, and once you have a side base, the center tap is the collector, while the other one is the emitter. So we connect the base to that resistor, which is 1k. Now this is the transistor we are talking about. Then we have to link this channel from this 10k to the emitter of the big transistor, and these are emitter, and this is the line. This is the line, so it's not connected. Here is our output, 10k to this LED, to the lead bulb. So this is the center, which is a collector, and this is the 100 ohms resistor you are seeing here. So the next one online here is we have to connect this bulb to the neutral. So from this resistor we connect the positive here, then the negative goes to the emitter line in here. So the remaining stuff now is to connect the batteries, and from here these are positive line from the emitter and the 10K where they meet. That's this line. So anywhere you can fix this one. Then the negative, these are negative terminal. So with this, as you can see, the thing is on. So once there is light, it will off. So with this simple circuit, it is actually possible that you can design a noiseless sensor switch without the use of relay. Just with 2 transistors, everything is done. Thank you. Bye.